Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney. I'm alongside Scarlett Fu. We're joined by Bloomberg's Christine Aquino. Christine, what are you looking at today?
Well, we got to take a look at ServiceNow, Paul, because it's M&A Monday. So that's right. Bloomberg News exclusive reporting. The company is in advanced talks to buy Armis, which is a cybersecurity startup. And those shares now down, though. So ticker NOW shares are down more than 10% now, so extending some of those opening declines. And so from our reporting, people are saying, who are familiar with the discussions, they're saying that the discussions are advanced. Of course, they may still fall apart if another potential bidder emerges. And so Bloomberg Intelligence has weighed in on this. They're saying that, for now, or ServiceNow, this would help its ID asset management practice. But they're just questioning that deal price, $7 billion to gain $300 million in annualized recurring revenue, which to them seems expensive. What do you think, Paul?
I don't know the multiples here, but it's a fast-growing business, and you got to put this capital to work somewhere. I don't have a problem with it. Let's go. But that's a big drop in the stock. It's something that just tells you that their shareholders weren't expecting this at all.
Exactly, and clearly not happy with it.
Yes, exactly. All right, what else we got?
Let's take a look at Franklin Resources. So ticker BEN. Those shares are up today just slightly, 1.5%. So that was up slightly more earlier. So just bearing some of those opening gains. But we did get news from the company itself. They said that the U.S. Department of Justice is preparing to resolve an investigation into its fixed income unit, Western Asset Management Company, without criminal charges. So clearly that's buoying the stock a little bit this morning. Apparently the Justice Department told the company on the 13th of December that it is preparing to resolve the investigation through a disposition. The department just needs more time. So we know that this company has been through a lot of turmoil. We've seen clients pull more than $100 billion from Western Asset specifically since the middle of last year. That was when Franklin disclosed that Ken Leech, which was WAMCO's former co-chief investment officer, was under investigation. So it seems like they're eager to put this behind them.
Yeah, I always go back to the ticker, which I love. BEN
That's
for
right.
Franklin Resources. Okay, you're also taking a look at iRobot.
We got to talk about iRobot. It was very iconic at one point in the early 2000s. No more. So those shares, ticker IRBT, those are now down more than 60% after being halted earlier for volatility. And that's because, they have filed for bankruptcy. So it's an end of an era for the maker of the Roomba. And so the company is saying that it will be taken over by its main Chinese supplier, which is Shenzhen PICA Robotics, as well as a subsidiary of that firm. And then the common stock for iRobot will be wiped out under the proposed Chapter 11 plan. In 2022, they actually had an opportunity to be bought out by Amazon, but then the deal collapsed because they clashed with EU competition authorities. So imagine their fortunes if they.
Do you own a Roomba?
I own. I used to own one, and then my cat broke it.
Pets and Roombas. That's a dangerous combination.
Exactly.
It's this moving thing, invading their space.
We have a Roomba, and I've been told it works. I don't know. I kind of think it's a scam.
In action.
I have, but I'm just like, really? Is that? I don't know.
It's just, it's just sweeping around the house.
In the middle of the night when Paul's not, there to monitor it.
Yeah, exactly.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.